Good morning. Anyway, let me be serious for once. Today is the day. Today is the third day. Today, khona abazokhala, khona abazojabula. Ingabe hobani na? Angiphinde ngibe invested so kwishow. Angiphinde ngibe invested so. It's not worth it. Yo. Istress singaka. Yo. Liema. Hi guys. Yo. And the winner is Big Brother Bazoswa. Liam. Yo. Woo. Ngifuna ukudawa. Before ngizwa ama results, ngifuna ukwazi kusasa angazi kwenzakalani. Yo. Okay. Good luck. May the best woman win. Yo. Bavele basisurprise bathi Q. Yo. I don't mind. Hey guys, bangawini uthandeka. Ngiyathutha eSouth Africa. Ngiyophuma ku TikTok for at least a month. Ngiyophuma. Or ngiyovala ama comments because yo guys sizonya. But anyway, it's not gonna happen. See you later.
When it comes to Somizi, he doesn't beat the allegation. People have been saying Ukuthi he's using Liema. He promised Ukuthi he's going to make a dress for Liema on the final. Today is the final. I've never seen Somizi posting the dress that she has made for Liema, guys. Here he is making noise on social media saying that he will never invest to a show again. Not long ago, he made a video to say Yena he has no time for Big Brother Mzansi season 6. The guys are criticizing fans, saying Ukuthi they need to do better, they need to focus on their life. Right now, the same person he's stressing about the show that has nothing to do with him. So people are saying Ukuthi even last year when he saw Ukuthi Sid Guluva has a strong fan base, he started talking about Sid Guluva, same as Uthandeka. Do you still remember at first he started talking about Thandeka, saying Ukuthi Uthandeka, she's a horrible person, he doesn't like it. Thandeka. Later on, he came out to say, you know what, he's choosing Liema, which is a good thing. I mean, Liema, she's a celebrity, she's an artist, she's doing so well. So obviously, everybody's going to choose her. So right now, he's not making the dress that he has promised to Liema. He even said that he will give Liema the 2 million rand if she doesn't win the 2 million rand. So you can see Ukuthi Somizi, guys, even when he say vote for Liema, I've never seen Somizi going around campaigning for Liema to show that he's serious about campaigning for Liema. He's just saying that people need to go out there and vote for him. What if he's not voting? He's just there for engagement, guys. So it is what it is. Determine conversation. What do you think about this video? Subscribe, rate, like, comment. Happy Sunday.